Hello everyone, today is going to be a quick tutorial on how to use Pixlr to create a graduation filter. This is a follow-up to a video I just made on using Spark AR to create an AR filter that would put a hat and sticker onto a student video or photo, except this time we are using Pixlr to Photoshop it on. This is a good option for students who don't have access to the AR filter. To begin with, this is what the landing page looks like on Pixlr. You're going to open an image. This will either have to be an image that students will send to you, or it can be their photo day photo. So you're going to select Full HD, Apply. And this is my student for today, Jennifer Aniston. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on Add Image. The PNG file I'm using, the graduation hat, can be found in the description box below. However, you can use any other transparent graduation hat photo you like. In order to resize, you need to make sure that the select tool is selected, and that way you can resize the graduation hat and you can rotate it on an axis if you wish. From this photo, I can already tell that there's not enough space on top. This can be avoided if you just tell students a requirement for taking a photo. But just in case they still don't send you that right photo, this is going to show you how to add on to it. So what we're going to do first is toggle off the visibility of the hat. And now we're going to make our image just a little bit taller so we can have something to add on to. Select Image, Canvas Size, move the anchor to the bottom and increase it by about 20%. So now you can see that blank area. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select the area above her head using the rectangle select tool. Then I'm going to press Ctrl C to copy it off of the background image, and then Ctrl V to paste it onto the image. That way I can click and drag it using the select tool and drop it onto the top. I'll do the same thing, Ctrl V, drag it up, and once I see that it's fit, I just click outside of the image and I can see it meld with the photo. I'm going to continue doing this until I think there's just enough space on top to add the hat, which is, I think this is the last one. Yeah, that looks good. Next, I'm going to right click any of the layers and I'm going to select Merge All Visible. This looks good to me, but if you have visible lines that are distracting, you can use the blur or the clone tool to fix this. The clone tool looks like that. It's kind of like a rubber stamp. You can toggle down the opacity to about 30. And what you're trying to do is select the source somewhere close to where you are trying to paint, and then you can kind of lightly brush it in gentle strokes to smooth out. The same effect can be achieved using the blur tool, but honestly at this point it's just better to have students who follow your instructions. Alright, back to the tutorial. What we're going to do is we're going to toggle back the visibility on the hat. And now we can see that it fits. We're going to select the select tool and then we can adjust the hat so that it fits better. You can make it bigger or smaller and you can rotate it so it fits just right. I think that looks good. The last part of this tutorial is going to be adding that sticker onto your grad. In order to do that, you're going to press the plus sign, image, and I'm going to find my own sticker. You can make yours on this program or Canva. I'm going to resize my logo. And final steps, you can just crop your photo using the crop tool in order to make sure that it's the right size for your purposes. But that's pretty much it. This is my finished photo. Hopefully this is easy enough for you to do on your own. You're going to save it and save it as a PNG file. That's it. Hope this was useful. Good luck with all of your virtual graduations.